Hi everyone. So this is Vish. As I have been now for many years, the Vish Pradeep has abbreviated to Vish, so I'm pretty used to that. So I think my story kind of integrates very well with what Kaushal had to share. So thank you for a great setup and my gratitude to you. Okay, so I think each person in this room has a story to tell. And I'm sure everyone's story is unique. And every story begins by birth of a human on the planet. And when we start, we are a tabula rasa, clean slate. And slowly, we begin our journey of learning. And our learning is through parents, teachers, friends, peers, family members, extended family, and society at large. And as a result, we develop our personality, and then we use. So if oneness is what everything there is, and if we start operating with that oneness, everything changes. So I got that realization, and I thought, how will I include it in my life? Because like everyone else, I finished my studies, then got a job, fell in love, got married, and then from one job to another, one country to another, I moved on. And eventually, in 2003, I decided to become an entrepreneur and set up Value First. At that point, I took a call that I need to build this company in the context of spirituality. It has to be founded in spirituality. So the whole culture had to be that. And for that, I took a call that normally culture is driven through values. So I created 4 values of the company. I'll share those so quickly. The first value is love each other. Now every person here on the planet pretty much is in a common pursuit. We may take different paths, but if we are all on a common pursuit, then why can't we love each other unconditionally? And if we love each other unconditionally, that is essentially the essence, the love. So I thought that has to be core at Value First, and as a result, now within Value First, this is one of the values which helps us drive whether we are interacting with peers, seniors, subordinates, or our suppliers or customers. So that is one primary ethic which drives us. Second value is truthfulness in each action, which is essentially whatever we think is what we speak, and then whatever we articulate is what we do. So there is total congruence between thought, speech, and action. So that's the second value at the company. Third value is faith in oneself and the universe. Now this has 2 parts. The first part, faith in oneself, essentially means that each one of us is unique because there is no one like us. So imagine if you wake up with this thought, this belief, and then go to work, how much can you accomplish with such high self-esteem? And the second part, that faith in the universe, is what essentially means is that the universe is there to help you achieve whatever you set out to do. And the last value is for us, excellence in each effort, which essentially means that at Value First, what we measure is the intent, or what are we putting our best step or best foot forward or not. Outcomes do not matter as much. So we built this company on these 4 values, and these are not typical corporate values. And it was very hard. Of course, we had to figure out ways to onboard the right people, so our interview selection process was very much aligned with this. Then we had to have HR practices which will ensure that these values are followed. And as a result, where we stand today, I think when I look back, we are definitely a company which has been able to execute this pretty well. And over the years, for me, I have continued the journey, and I met up with several masters along the way, and finally I found one master who taught me something which is so invaluable that now I've decided that my next step is actually no longer to continue in this material, physical world of business or anything like that. So I'm setting up a spiritual retreat in Dehradun, Rishikesh. I've already bought the land. So rest of my life could be to run a curriculum to help us all go on an inner journey. That's my story. Thank you.
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।